If you have Samsung Galaxy A26 5G smartphone and you are getting confused in the control center and notification settings, then this is the video for you. So sometimes if you will swipe down from the top of the phone, then it will open your control center, and sometimes it will open your notification center. So there's a specific area from which if you will swipe down, then it will always open your control center. So if you will swipe down from the right side of your front camera, then it will always open your control center. And if you will swipe down from the left side of your front camera, then it will open your notification center. You can also switch by swiping like this. But if you wanna edit this control center, click on this edit button. Here you can drag and drop it, change the order of these panels. If you wanna set the older control center, then click on this panel setting and then select together. Then it will enable the older control center. So that's how you can fully customize your control center settings in Samsung Galaxy A26 5G smartphone.